Hello, my name is Dan. In this video I will show you how to use the Properties feature in Soffront. The Properties feature is great for real estate sales or anything where you need to track property related events such as rent, maintenance, or construction. From the home screen, click on Properties under Sales. Next, click on Add to create a new entry. Status, agent, and property name are all in red. This means they are required field. Select a status of active or inactive. Select the agent with the drop-down menu. Type in a property name. In this case, we'll call it Las Vegas Studio. And type in an MLS number. For property type, we have available options of commercial, condo, multifamily, single family, townhome, and add to this list. Add to this list allows you to add additional values for the property type. We have address, city, list price, and seller are other optional details that are available. If you click on Expand, you can see there are many available fields. You can track the property amenities, commission, closing date and price, finance terms, fees, many other options. After updating this information, click on Save. Once in a record, you see a blue bar on the left that shows details of the property. Click on the Customize button to add, remove, and rearrange these fields. So we see we click on Customize, we can drag and drop these where we want and then hit Save to change the order. And if we click on a white space, we can also select additional fields that we want added to the left section. And then we have the Show Labels button that shows the label for each of these values. Next, you'll notice that we have many tabs. You can add notes to the property by clicking on the Add button. So if we wanted to write a note about calling making a phone call about this property, we would select dialed. If we wanted to email, we would select email. So you select a note type and then the details of your note and then hit Save. Next, we have opportunities to track a potential source of revenue. So if we go to the Opportunities tab, we can enter in the opportunity name and the close dates. Next, we have an Accounts tab. You can link this property to an existing account. To link a property to an existing account, click on Lookup. Then select a search by value and a search criteria. A good way to find an account is to select the email address. For search by, type in email address, and under criteria you would put in the email address value. But you could also search by company name, so in this case we found the company, just check the box and then hit select. So we just link that to an account. The Appointments tab is useful to keep track of all appointments with this property. You can add appointments by clicking on the Add button and give it a name and a date. Type in your notes. You can sync it with your calendar or set pop-ups. You can add documents and other files under the Attachments tab. So you click on Add, and then you can add a file from either your computer or Dropbox. You can create projects under the Projects tab. Link those with different workflows. You can add additional contacts for this property under the Contacts, and even track issues under the Issues tab. On the blue bar to the right, we have a tab to add and track both appointments and tasks. You can see here's a task that we can add to this property, and then here are the appointments, and they will show up in this blue bar on the right. In the upper right corner, we have refresh, convert, edit, delete, copy, and print. The convert option is used to change this property to a different stage in the workflow. So we have a drop down here, and we can tell it to check off the tasks that are in the current workflow and add notes. Or you can just click on the Inactive link to change this property to the inactive status. So you can see we have our two different statuses in the workflow up here. So if you want to change it to inactive, we would just click there in inactive. So I hope you have found this video helpful and useful today, and I look forward to sharing and showing you additional features and functionalities of your Soffront CRM system in upcoming videos. Thank you.